I think you got a fish on.
Oh, yeah. I heard you swimming out. Let's go back here.
Inch and a half too short.
Yeah, really?
You just,
That a keeper? Oh, what is this? What is this? You got one too? Oh, so that's a keeper, bro. Hey, is this a small? Oh, 3 in a row. Nah, this not a keeper. Keeper?
you guys don't keep it. I know it's a keeper, that's why you.
Oh, what's it?
Oh, yours is a little small.
Yeah, see, what's it, 18?
18, yeah.
That's about 18. I'll let go though, mine's too close.
Yeah, nine's too close.
Yeah, no, yours for sure, I can tell.
Yeah, this one looks pretty big.
Another one?
Oh, mine's 19. I ain't messing with it.
Yeah. My bad. I gotta throw my back in. Hey, Sue, you gotta catch it for us, man. No, that's a keeper, man. Yeah, let's throw this one back in. Yeah, put this one straight. Yeah. Put this one straight. It's barely legal. Yeah, it's still early anyway. Yeah, put this string on.
Hả? Bằng cái? Lấy tao đọ.
It's barely legal. Here, string this one.
Nó là mấy bà béo à nè.
Keeper? Feels like it? Let's see.
These are big.
Oh yeah, that's a.
We've been catching at marina.
Oh, này cào ấy là. Oh yeah. Yeah. Anh chưa string nữa là. Oh, that's a keeper.
You think so?
19 and a half. That's 19 and a half.
19, yeah, 19 and a half.
Dude,
Yeah,
he,
that is
Dad, you haven't seen my measure, chưa?
Put it in a stream?
Yeah, string it.
We could get 2 more.
Yeah.
We can still both fish.
Yeah. That's hella good, Zan. He went down to the exact 19 and a half. Let's see.
Oh, keeper side. Keeper side. Ooh, that's a big one. Dude.
Oh, hell yeah.
I can't keep it for you.
See how big it is. Oh, you got.
He got a.
They're starting from the left.
Oh yeah, 19.
Right there next to you. I threw one right there in front of his suit. I know. Oh, Paul, what you hooked this line for? He's trying to mess you up. I know. Saboteur. You saw that saboteur? He's trying to mess you up like I did. Shut up, man. You didn't bring the tie, so I had to make you hook it. 18.
That's a little small.
18. I don't know if that one's 18.